Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to link menu to section in WordPress Elementor. So let's just begin. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do, we need to go into our website and now you'll be able to see our landing page here. So what I wanted to do here that when I click on the link here or the link in the menus, that will simply redirect me to the different section of my landing page. So for example, if I just wanted to click on the contact, it should redirect me to the bottom of the page. That is basically call to action. Okay. So how can we do this? That is really easy. So right now our menu is connected with the different pages. Okay. So when I just click on the about, it will take us to the about page. Okay. But right now we don't want this thing. We want to connect our different sections on the same page with our menu. So let's click on the home again. So the first thing that I need to do, I have to remove the links on the menus. So let's go into the dashboard and I will need to go into the appearance and into the menus. Alright, so now you can see here we have the home, we have the about, services and the contact. So these are basically connected to the different pages. So right now I'm going to simply remove all of these options. Services and also the about. I would basically create a custom links. So the first one would be, okay, the first section is basically the testimonial. So, or the review. So I'm going to write down the testimonial here in the link text. All right. And in the URL, it would be the hash only or the empty URL. Okay. So I'm going to write down the hash, click on add to menu. And in the similar way, I would add the second option. So that would be the profile. Okay. So I'm going to write down the profile here. And in the URL, it would also be the hash. Click on add to menu. And in the last, we would have the contact. The URL would be the hash again. Okay. So let's click on add to menu. Now let's just click on save menu. Okay. So now I'm going to go back to our landing page and I will simply refresh the page. All right. So now I will simply go at the top. Now you can see our new menu options. So we have the testimonial, we have the profile, and we have the contact. And if I just click here, you can see we are not going anywhere because we haven't added any link to our menu. Okay, so right now I'm going to simply click on Edit with Elementor. So the Elementor editor will basically connect or link our menu to the different section of the page. Okay. All right, so the first thing that I need to do, I need to provide the ID to my different section. So for example, to the testimonial, I will simply click on the container. Okay. And here you can see the option of the advanced. We're going to go inside of it. And here you will see the option of the CSS ID. So here I have to provide the ID to my container or the section. So this would be testimonial. All right. And after this will be the profile. So let's click here on the profile container, go into the advanced setting, write down the profile in the CSS ID. Okay. You have to make sure one thing here that it has to be the CSS ID, not the classes. Okay. And after this, we're going to add the ID to our last section. So that would be the contact. Let's just write down contact here. Now let's click on update. All right. So now if I just click on the container here, you'll be able to see the ID here and also for the testimonial. All right. So now what we need to do, we'll simply go back to our menus and here in the testimonial, I would click on here and on the URL, I would simply add hash and also the name of the ID that I have added in my container. So for the testimonial, I added testimonial and for the profile, I added the profile. And for the contact, I added the contact. All right. So now let's click on save menu. Now I will simply click on visit site. All right. So when I just click on the testimonial, it will simply redirect us to the testimonial section. Can you see here? And if I just click here on the profile, you will be able to see the profile. And in a similar way, if I just click on the contact, you will be able to redirect to the contact section. So this is how you can link the menu option to the different section of a page in WordPress Elementor. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.